Hello friends, I am Parvinder Randhawa. You are watching my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, that's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. In this video I want to explain the main thing that there are two candidates and this is a real test, whether you believe or not, that how they perform their tasks. Now first of all I want to go with candidate 1. Now it's whether it is for pen and paper or it is for computer based testing. Now candidate 1, what he did his registration there, sat in his exam test, okay, did listening, well perform, reading according to his working area, that how much he performs. After reading he did writing, right, that is of two tasks, 1 and 2, whether the candidate has academic test or journal test. After this he whatever his day for speaking, he did his speaking version. Now this is candidate 1, which is a normal profile of every candidate they are doing. Now let's go to the real test, that how a candidate performs, and this has happened recently. Okay, candidate 2, his test, it may be on any date. He is very much serious about his test, not so much serious, very much confident. I want to change my words here, very much confident. Before going to the registration, he listened an audio, haven't done any test or anything, just for 5 minutes, so that when he starts his listening test, right, so it seems to be to him or her that this is a common listening language for the candidate. Try to get the point. Listen audio of an IELTS, you can get it anywhere on your mobile, just for 5 minutes before going to test. As the listening starts, your flow will remain and you feel yourself, yeah, or wow, I have done it before. Because the path mostly we people speak in Hindi language or any other native language. So what happens? Suddenly we listen to a test and we need some time in that flow, and that flow is only maintained when a candidate utilizes his 5 minutes while listening to an audio before going to a test. Okay, so this is the point here on which I want to talk. Now go to the next point. Go to the next point here. In reading, you have to do reading. The candidate, what he did reading in 40 minutes, but you can try to do reading within 50 minutes. 10 minutes to transfer the answer. Techniques you can check on reading playlist, right? 10 minutes you should utilize to transfer the answer. The reason is this, that please check, this is 1, then answer should be of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Some candidate may get problem 3, they write at this space or maybe this. So check the space properly, do not touch the line and write your answers accordingly. Fine. So check 2 times writing the answers, whether it is of listening or of reading. That one should be written, the answer of one should be written in front of column 1. Remember one this. Okay, so this is reading. After this, now the main portion is writing. Now maybe candidate, maybe I am not saying, right, gets a kind of fatigue. There are 2 tasks. So what the candidate did here on that day, he utilized his complete 22 minutes on task 1. Fine. He read the topic clearly, made notes, and utilized complete 22 minutes on this task. Use his own language, haven't used any copied language, which may detect your band because it is very much clarified in the writing section, copied section. If you have copied anything, naturally you will lose band. And in task 2, because already he used 2 minutes from task 1, you have 38 minutes. He prepared notes on the sheet, writing that sheet, question sheet, and then he utilized his skill. Now what he did in writing, because this is going to be the tough area nowadays, reading is also tough, right? So what he did, explain one point, then prove that point, explain it more, or write whether it is proved, whether it is evident. He did in this manner. It means he wrote one point. I am going to do writing also in the next videos. So what he did, he wrote one point, then explained it, then he wrote second point, then explained it, then went to next, that is third para, right? Then again wrote one point, then explained it, then made a conclusion, and he did all within 38 minutes. Suppose there may be candidates who can complete the task 1 within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It depends, right? Now let's go to the day of speaking. So what is the day of speaking? Let's discuss. Now I am on speaking day. Candidate, what he did, before going to the center, he spoke in English to his members. If members don't know, then he tried to utilize his friends. If they are not the option, what he did, he recorded some voice with him on the day, so that same flow he will show in front of examiner. Now he is in front of examiner. He spoke very natural, with confident, right? Do not try to assess himself or herself. Do not assess himself or herself. Remember one thing. Okay? Not tried. Because if some people, they start trying to assess themselves during the test, this is very negative. Your main point is to make a flow here. He made flow. He had a smiling face, very smiling. Examiner was also helping in terms of making very much the environment amicable, and he utilized some good vocab. Good vocab means which words are not common here. Okay, so in this way he performed. So these are the 2 ways to assess yourself instead of depending on others. And you are watching Parvinder Randhawa Guru. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. That's Parvinder Randhawa Guru. I am always with you fine. I will try to make new videos more and more, and you will find in coming days. Thanks once again for watching this video.